Welcome to My Lanai. I am Heidi Gamel, author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide, and I am having my third cup of water. I thought I would share it with you. I already had my second cup of coffee and it's already 82 degrees, so I figured I would just drink a little bit of water with you. But I'm here to check in. I know on Monday I was full of energy and so excited about my goals for the week. And so many of you shared your goals with me, and thank you for that. That was so much fun to hear what was on your docket for the week. I wonder how you did. I'm here to check in and tell you how I did. So remember, Monday I had tons of energy. I love Mondays so much. I get excited about implementing goals that I decided on over the weekend, and I get back into a routine and I love it. Here's the disclaimer though. I lose all that energy on Tuesday. It's gone. In fact, on Tuesday, every Tuesday, I want to quit. I want to stop. I don't want to do anything. I'm not excited about any of my goals. And I'm always questioning why I set any. Because, hello, that's so dumb. And it's on Tuesday that I have to remember that it's Tuesday. If I forget, and if I happen to say to Judah, I want to quit everything, he's like, well, it's Tuesday. Maybe you should give it a day. Well, thankfully there's Wednesday. I can bring it back into a little bit of equilibrium, but it just goes to show that every week we have an ebb and we have a flow. And I talk about that a lot in my online course, How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine, and just about honoring your ebb and flow. Nothing has gone wrong on Tuesday when I want to quit everything. And Tuesdays is fine, just like Mondays are fine. And just knowing that about yourself, how your ebb and flow goes, and then like scheduling your week accordingly. So it's so funny, even to this day, how surprised I am by Tuesdays. It's okay. So how did you do on your goals? I know this week I had a goal of honoring my calendar because I had spent so much time on it on the weekend and setting goals. I wanted to honor those goals that I had put on my calendar, and I did really well. What that meant was I had to keep opening my calendar and looking at it. So I'm really proud of myself and I can celebrate today that I did really accomplish a lot of the things I set out to do. The other goal I had for this week was to not spend any money outside of buying food. And I did really well on that too. I didn't buy anything. Okay, I did spend 50 cents on an app, but otherwise I did really good. Even when I saw the cutest dress ever and it was on sale and there was only 4 left, I said, nope, that can wait for next week, because I had decided not to spend any money this week. So I did good. I wonder how you did on your goals. And yeah, I'm just checking in on my goals. Also, tonight at 7 is the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide book club, and we will be on my favorite chapter, chapter 6, which is elevating the mundane to the spectacular, and number 7, positivity. So if you're not sure how to get into the book club, raise your hand, I can help you. Basically, if you have the book, you can follow the QR code and it will take you where you need to go. But if if that's too much drama for you, just raise your hand and I can help you. We have to eliminate drama, right? Seriously. But we're having so much fun discussing the book, and elevating the mundane to the spectacular is one of my favorite subjects. So I'm really excited about exploring that with you this evening. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. And that's what the book is all about. And that's what I'm here to talk about too. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Enjoy your Friday, and we will talk soon. Bye.